Where are we going?
You say you want to go to the medical examiner's office.
Right now? It's almost 9 p.m. Shouldn't we wait until tomorrow?
In this line of work, there may not be a tomorrow.
Whoa! Did you see that? These little, what? These little creeps? You son of a baby? You're a comedian? Huh? What's your problem, huh? Oh, I think you're a comedian, huh? What do you think about this?
You have a gun?
I got a permit. Look inside the glove compartment.
I'm not seeing anything. Oh, wait, here. Nope, it's your car insurance. Expired?
Where's a comedian? Where's a comedian? Hey, where's the comedian? Where's the comedian? Huh? I tell you, they say they got away.
Are you sure you are who you say you are?
I never said who I am, but we're here.